Good evening, everyone, and I hope everyone is doing fine. As you must have seen since my last video, I had promised to share some more further details about the futures and options. But this one topic is very interesting to know so that it gives more comfort to the people who want to be the traders now or who are already in this. So this is a very brief video. Let me explain what is there on the few points. So basically, as you can see, the topic trade without money. So this is kind of interesting that you don't have money, but still you can do the trading and there is no money required. So basically, the crux here is that you uh, have the capital in form of say stocks or the equity or the mutual funds or the fixed deposits or the liquid Bs. How the system works is when you want to go for the futures and options trading, that you need to collateral with the brokers these deposits and these different stocks and the mutual funds and the liquid Bs, and basically you are pledging these things, these stocks and the assets with the broker, and broker will provide you the funds against those. And so basically it is a pledging, and there is a list by the SEBI and the NSE that what is the kind of haircut. So normally it depends on the kind of stocks or the fixed deposit that what can be the haircut. So just for an example, like if you have the Reliance Industry share, the haircut would be like around 40%. So for 100 they will provide you 60. So it varies depending on the stocks, whether they are in the next Nifty 50 or for the mutual funds, or you have the fixed deposits, or you have bought the liquid Bs, which is the another liquid asset and good asset to keep it. And depending on that, so let us assume that overall you can get around 60 to 70% of your this asset. You have to place this with the broker, which is only 1 minute click, because all the brokers have got this on their platform, the facility that you can pledge by one click and you can unpledge with the another click if you want to get out of that, or you want to sell those shares, or you want to withdraw from those fixed deposits. So it is very easy process now. Further to that, like there are brokers. So let us say Zerodha, they provide the collateral, but you need to keep the 50% in the cash. So suppose you want to buy the 2 lakh shares or the trading in the FNO, 1 lakh in the cash you should fund and 1 lakh can be used as a collateral. But say another broker, which is IIFL, they provide 100% collateral. So you don't have to fund any cash, which is very easy for you. Now after doing all this, you can use these funds basically for the selling or buying the different options very far off the spot price, or buying the futures of the different equities, and in the process you can make your benefits double, because your all the assets are there intact, they are earning or growing. In the fixed deposit interest you are getting, mutual funds stock, over and above that, for 60 or 70% of that, by pledging you are earning some additional amount. So this is very interesting, and this has been allowed, and this is working very fine with most of the brokers and with most of the traders, and most of the traders who have got the funds. So they are using this kind of facility, and they can enhance and expand their capital base to provide this different kind of transactions. And when you, in my previous video I had mentioned that if you are selling the different options, this provide the additional capital because the margin is higher, and you can very easily earn by selling the options with very far off spot price. So I hope this video is useful to you. I'll come out with different videos, and please feel free if you have any question. Thank you very much and have good time.